So we're going to move straight along now into another one of our portfolio companies. This one is a little different. It works in compressed air systems, and many people don't realise just how important compressed air is to the stuff that we use and all of the goods that are made globally. I won't go into too much detail about it. I'll let Xiaona Holmberg and Sami Mykkänen, we've got the CEO, as well as one of our key personnel in China, Xiaona. Hello. Here she is. Round of applause for them. Thanks. Cool. Just grab the mic there, Xiaona. Great. So, Xiaona, I might ask you first if you would like to give a quick intro, or as well to both of you, to give an intro to Enersize, what it does, where it's doing it. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Xiaona Holmberg from Enersize, and I'm partner operation director. This is our CEO, Sami Mykkänen, and he will introduce a little bit about Enersize.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. And. It's very nice to see so many people here today. Exactly, it's very nicely, and also very nice to see many as own shareholders also here. And thanks to you that we as IPOs happened so nicely in the last summer. But yes, okay. So Enersize. So we're focusing, like Joshua said already, we're focusing on energy saving activities for compressor systems. And the basic things is there as a software and as automatical analyzing tools, what we can do and how we can handle the data, what we measurement from us customer systems. But of course, all changes, what we do there is mechanical and physical changes. But anyway, without the software, without analyzing tools, it's not undoable.
Yeah, exactly. So I understand that a lot of the big opportunity, at least that Enisize has found, is in a specific market. China has been quite an important market for Enisize. So Xiaona, you've been on the ground there a lot in China. Can you let everyone know about maybe the context of why Enisize is having such a good impact in China?
Yes, first of all, I think Enersize has a unique technology and a simple solution which brings significant effect. And then we know the market. We are capable of it, and we have a capable team, and we have our technical director, Margot, there in the audience also.
I saw him in the audience.
And to Chinese market, I think the key word is smart manufacturing. As now the global ongoing industrial transition process, Germany has the Industrial 4.0, America has the CPS, and China has the Made in China to 2025. So yeah, it's from the national level, the country is very determined for smarter and greener industry manufacturing. Yeah.
And this is a push from the top level in China, in the government level. So there are very strong policies now that are making factories undergo this transition a bit quicker.
Yes.
What are some of the industries that Enisize is able to improve the efficiency of through the compressed air systems?
Yeah, simply answer is all. So nearly all the customer industry factories, like 90% of global industry manufacturing using compressed air. This may be a fact that has been a lot omitted. So yeah, so all.
And I think so the more important things that why we are so exciting is that because of 5% for global electricity using for our compressor systems, and in China almost 10% for China-wide energy is used for compressor systems. So that's the huge number of the energy, and that's the reason we are very exciting in doing what we're doing.
And also one key thing is we are not only this energy saving, we using cloud computing and the big data thing. This is the global trend for the next phase development. And China is very brave utilizing such kind of technology. And in China, such thing in a consumer life, it's not only in, it is every day, I simply say. For example, how many of you today use your bank card at the Gasa, how to say, to buy beer? but maybe CTI or Loudspring offer you beers. But in China,
For a little while.
yeah, very normal persons now in shop use smartphone to pay. So we are very eager, and it's already in every day, like utilizing such kind of advanced technology, and also in the industrial sector. So.
Yeah, and that's great. I mean, I was in China with the team a few months ago,
So
and
just be prepared. Don't be so surprised. Old days.
Yeah, I was a little surprised. It was an amazing experience, and as well as seeing the scale of some of these factories and what's being made there, it's quite impressive. So, look, thank you so much for joining us on stage tonight. Are there any questions about what Enisize is doing before I let Xiaona and Sami leave the stage? Anyone in the audience got anything to throw at them? No, that's cool. We are going to transition to, well, please give a round of applause to Sami and Xiaona for joining me on the stage.